Hi, everybody. This is our first shot at e-learning. I'm going to walk you through just a couple reminders that are on the Google Classroom. I hope that you're using this on a daily basis. You're going to check in with me every day with something to kind of keep moving forward. I know a lot of you are going to miss out on seeing your students in the classroom. I'm sure they're going to miss you too. But I want to walk you through kind of what our process will be moving forward. So for Monday, March 16th, I hope that you reach out to your teacher. Ask them what they need, how you can help them. I know uh, that they're tackling this for the very first time, and they probably could use some help, maybe with different things. Maybe you volunteered to record yourself doing a read aloud. Maybe you help. Maybe you join their Google Meets and interact with the students. Maybe you help grading things. Maybe you help creating things. So just volunteer and get involved. This is 2 or 3 hours of your school day, so committing a little bit of time there, I think, is a good thing, and we'll give you some great experiences. Um, you know, I said in my email to you last week, but in 20 years in education, this is the first time I've encountered anything like this. So, let's all get a chance to experience it and learn from it and grow from it, even if it's kind of a crazy situation. Um, so today's assignment involves reading an article that I've posted in the Google Classroom. It's about e-learning um, and responding to a Google form. Just a couple questions. I'm not looking for full paragraph answers. I'm looking for sentences. Um, I would ask you also, make sure you're getting into PowerSchool and checking for missing work. I will accept late work with the penalty we talked about, but wanting to give you some credit because some of you still haven't turned in your educational philosophy papers. Some of you haven't turned in your first quarter hours, and we need to get those in so I can give credit. Obviously, the third quarter ended on Friday, and those grades are being recorded. But if you have late work, I will go back and make some updates to your grades there. The last thing I want to talk about is just realizing that you do have a big assignment looming in April, that professional development assignment. And I want to talk you through what that looks like so you understand um, what you need to be doing. So the professional development assignment is 100 points. It's due on April 30th. And it's a definitely a choose your own adventure kind of assignment. It's asking you to grow professionally with regard to an educational topic. I don't know, maybe e-learning that interests you, maybe something like that, something that you're doing right now that you could learn more about. Ask that you read several articles about your topic, maybe have an in-depth conversation that could be via email potentially with a variety of teachers. Maybe you find a podcast or a video about your topic. If you have a topic and you're struggling to find resources, let me know and I'll be glad to help you there. But the assignment is to type a 500-word multi-paragraph summary of what you learned and how you learned it, and then describe how what you learned can be used in your teaching career. Reflect on the impact it had on you. So basically, you're going to pick a topic you want to know more about. You're going to learn more about it, and then you're going to tell me about how you learned and what you learned. I gave you some questions to reflect on here. What did you learn about? How did you learn it? How will it impact you right now? And how will it impact you in your own classroom someday? And then who are teachers that you have seen that are strong in this area? Maybe you have a teacher who's already integrating technology pretty seamlessly on a regular basis, or you see a teacher who really does some phenomenal things. If e-learning is the topic you choose, it can be anything. If you're struggling to come up with a topic, again, let me know and I'll help you. This would be something I would get started on as soon as you want. Some of you maybe have already started on it, but ask for help. I also plan on being available with some office hours through Google Meet. I'll post those on Google Classroom every day. Try to give you a short assignment every day, maybe a video like this. Maybe not a video every day, but if I think it's appropriate just to make some connections. Definitely miss you guys. Hope everything is going well and everybody is safe and healthy. And if you need anything, please reach out right away. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.